Hello from our cabin in the woods. I wanted to show you what happens when I walk outside with a handful of oatmeal. There, man. These are called gray jays. And their nickname is camp robbers because they will eat you out of house and home. I am Birdman. Ow. Hey, look at there. There's another one. Let's get the National Geographic slow-mo on him. Sometimes they dig a little deep. Ouch. Hey, look at there. Oh, there's another one. Come on in. You coming? Going away? Well, this has been Brent Hoover from the National Geographic Channel. Thank you.